Right on. Well, today we have a RZR XP 1004 in here, and we're getting ready to put a stiffener kit on the front end. I was trying to get the shocks out of the way there to show you guys a little better. This one here has been hit before and ripped away the front mount and part of this one up, or the upper front mounts there. It's ripped both of them. It's bent that too just a little bit. This side, here's what it looks like without any issues. I stuck the frame stiffener up there. This is what it looks like without any issues. It's bent, guys. I mean, this is a Super ATV frame stiffener kit here we're getting ready to put on. I'm going to take you guys through it. I think these are for the uppers in the front, but we have the whole kit here. We're going to go through putting one on a, I believe, 17 XP 1004. I'm going to set this back up on time lapse and get this front end tore off here, and maybe we can take you guys in there and show you a little more. So that was a real fight to get everything to line up and fit in here. You can see, I mean, bolt holes are well lined up. I took a alignment pin, wherever it's landed, right there, that green one, drove it in and tack welded each one until I had a perfect fit up, or as good as I could get. Not final welded, but everything's in there and fit tight, so we can work on the top half now. But it seems like prep is the key. Lots of grinding, lots of fitting, lots of tacking, just everywhere. They don't turn out too bad, but it's really hard to weld. Would you focus, camera? But yeah, it's really hard to weld up in there and get everything clean with all the suspension grease. But we've got a bolt hole right there to repair, and then that back bracket before we do the top on this side. So I'm gonna finish the driver and see if I can learn something from it. But here's where we're at right now. There's a large section from underneath that we can weld. I've already ground and cleaned all that up. I just need to go under and weld it. Okay. All right. You'll have to forgive me here, guys. I have the camera set up there, and this is a full-time shop. I mean, we're all working in here. This is a customer's job, but this is a Super ATV kit finally installed. You notice I probably kind of lost the video somewhere around welding on that other side, but Kit's fully installed, welded out, finished. It adds a ton of thickness. I kind of tied this in together. But really, if you're looking to beef these up, honestly, how flimsy this front setup is. I mean, we got bracing down here now. This one rolls completely up into the upper in the back of it. Then this is where the other side had tore off. If you guys are looking to add something to your machine to really stiffen this stuff up, I mean, these, I think the 1000s around this age range and the 1000 XPs in the 4 and the 2-seater model are all flimsy like this. I'm not for sure. This is the first time I've had one in here, but everything's welded out, fit up. That's gonna wrap this video up.